under the command of ABSI 3HCH Samla.
Rakhe Sngi Republic ha kylleng district ka thain Garo ha ka arpun tarik Kyllalyngkot. Ha Tura Deputy Commissioner Swapnil Tembe ula shim ya ka Rasthriya Salute ha Madan MP Stadium Dakopgre Tura but ula pynher ya ka Lama Lairong kari India. Ki pyrton Pulit Jylla, ki NCC, ki Scouts and Guides, ki khynnah skul but ki samla pule college ki la shim bynta ha ka parade. Deputy Commissioner ula Khublei Sngi Republic ki paidbah but ula pynkynmaw ki jingdonkam bante ki Meghalaya da ka jingiatrei lang kawei buit kawei bor hakikam baroh. Ula kenturu ban nyokor bat ban tingkai ki jingai kordor jong kamariang na ka benta ka jingmentoi jong ki pateng bandang wan. Ka Meghalaya ka don menta lai pupralak ki pat nyong shong ki bala imlang salang ha ka jingsuk bat ka jingi eight markeliang bat ngidei ban ri kendong ya ka ni ka jinglong bakinsai ha ka long briu man briu ula ong.
And on this occasion, I would like to urge all the voters, especially the young voters who have just received their new epic cards, to participate and exercise their right to vote in this coming elections. First anniversary of Meghalaya state, I want to thank all the citizens, residents of the state who have participated to develop our beautiful state. And also in future also, I hope you all will keep on contributing to take our state forward. Agarani ko machotatna skang nga changsatai jagetelanina dakopgre geparang. Concluding, once again, I would like to acknowledge everyone's contribution towards the state, towards our republic. It includes army, paramilitary, police, and all the residents of our state who have contributed in various capacities.